gates open, that up and racing. We have Queen Cugat draws for your lead. Monde Star to take second by the release. Spanish Coin is sneaking in. Down on the inside is Prayer of Hope moving up on the outside. Is entry number 9 and that's Jumping Jonah joining the front position. Then next in line is entry number 8, Rock You as they head towards the last 600. Prayer of Hope now leading the field is Spanish Coin is in second. Running in third, Jumping Jonah. Running by the rail is Rock You. Then next in line is 5A, Plenty of Grace as they turn for home. Prayer of Hope leading the field is Spanish Coin remains in second. Jumping Jonah, Rock You now in third and moving up on the outside. With the last 150 more to run. Prayer of Hope this time by about 4 lengths. Running in second now is Rock You. And finally, Prayer of Hope, Rock You. Close between Seketa and number 2 Spanish Coin, Youngsta Gangsta. For your Pentapecta, then comes number 3, Idas Julian.